You better hit that movement, come on.
Anything you want.
I can't hear you.
That you put your mind to.
I still can't hear you. What?
You can make it through.
What it's gonna do?
It's gonna come for you.
I still can't hear you.
Do anything you want to do. That you put your mind to.
Say keep.
Keep your head up on the day on the horizon.
What's up?
Shining bright like
Be what?
be encouraged.
Come on.
Oh, you've been so far, you should smile.
Go this way.
You've been so far, you should smile up. You've been so far, you should smile up.
Come on.
You've been so far, you should smile up. Smile up. Smile. You've been so far, you should smile up. You've been so far, you should smile up.
Come on, come on.
You've been so far, you should smile
What
up.
you say now?
Smile up.
Smile.
Smile.
I need you to understand something. Opportunity does not come without its share of positive reward and negative reward. What does that mean? I'm gonna tell you. That as much as you're gonna get your congratulatory statements, oh my God, I'm so proud of you, oh my gosh, you guys are doing this, there's also gonna be some people that will hate on you. Does that make sense?
It's easy for someone's negative comment to all of a sudden make you feel like you're not worth it, you are worthless. When at the end of the day, this is what's giving you joy in the first place. Don't let nobody steal your joy. Don't let nobody steal your purpose. Don't let nobody steal your why. And a lot of times, people that want to try and steal your why don't know their why themselves.
Like a father, like a dad.
Mr. Thompson is very vibrant. He's like an amazing outgoing teacher.
He's approachable. Definitely approachable teacher.
Do that, do that, do that, do that. 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 Do that, do that, do that, do that.
So the name of this group is called The Sound. The Sound of Nims Middle School. This school was planted in this community to literally rock the foundations of this city. Introducing a different way of learning, a different way of culture and learning about culture, and a different way of even experiencing music. So when you have the sound down, the sound can be anything. It can be a sound of joy. It could be a sound of peace, even a sound of sadness, a sound of hope, a sound of inclusion, and a sound of love. No matter what song that we sing, when you hear that sound, it takes you to that place, like they can feel again. Like my students, they feel like they can feel again when they leave my classroom.
Like music is like life, literally. Like it's just, it brings out everything in people and stuff like that. I feel like music, like you got hype music, you got sad music. It's for different types of moods. So like music can like help you overcome stuff sometimes.
Gee whiz, it's crazy. I'm wishing you were married. Gee whiz.
Come on, Thomas.
And for me, for a long time in my life, I was always stuck in a place of trying. Now I'm being. And I'm not just being for me, but I'm being for my students. And so now when I'm walking the room, sometimes they may not like what I may have on. They be like, Mr. Thompson, those shoes are a little interesting. And you know what? These are the best shoes ever. Why? Because they are on my feet. And they'll be like, wow. And so now something that I could have forgotten about, they would have been like, you know what? I'm gonna wear my shoes the way I need to wear my shoes, because I remember last 2 weeks, you know, Mr. Thompson said, well, these are the best shoes ever because they are the shoes on my feet. And that self-love and the love that I feel from from who I believe in, that's what I want to inspire them to do. Find something to believe in, hold on to it strong, and don't hold nothing back. Go for it. Go for it. If you fall on your face, get up, continue going for it. That's how you learn.
I feel like la 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 la. I feel like Turalu. I feel like.
Life and situations may get us down, and I always try to remind them that this is not just a place to work on excellence. This is a way of even working on your humanity and getting in touch with that. This is a time when you can freely do that and just feel like it's okay to do that.
Joy, 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 joy.
If you feel like, you know, I can't smile today, singing this song, being goofy with sounds, and though granted I have an educational and fundamental goal of unlocking their voice, they can feel like, I'm okay.
Joy, 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 joy. Glorious, 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 glorious.
My position in their lives is more than just music. It's life. We teach life lessons here.
I feel like Turalu. I feel like Lule, Lule. I feel like boom, boom, boom.
Music is literally life, like through notes, through sound.
Joy, 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 joy. Bada, bada, bada. Joy, 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 joy. Bada, bada, bada.
Like, we don't even say can't in this classroom. That's not a word that's conducive here.
Joy, joy, joy.
Because when you start saying can't, that puts a limit on yourself. You put a cap on how great you can be.
Glorious, 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 glorious. I feel like la 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 la. I feel like la 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 la. I feel like la 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 la. I feel like la la gonna come for you.
You better hit that movement, come on!
Anything you want,
I can't hear you!
that you put your mind to.
I still can't hear you, what?
You can't make it through.
What it's gonna do?
It's gonna come for
I still
you.
can't hear you!
Do anything you wanna do, that you put your mind to.
Say it, Keith!
Keep your head up on the damn horizon.
What's up?
Shining bright like
Be what?
be encouraged.
Come on!
Oh, you beautiful, you should smile.
Go this way!
You beautiful, you should smile up. You beautiful, you should smile up.
Come on!
You beautiful, you should smile up. Smile up,
Uh-huh!
smile. You beautiful, you should smile up. You beautiful, you should smile up.
Come on, come on!
You beautiful, you should smile
What
up.
you say now?
Smile up,
Smile!
smile. Do that, do that, do that, do that. 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 Do that, do that, do that, do that.
Merry Christmas, how you
Do that, do that, do that, do that.
It's
Do that, do that, do that, do that.
to you
Do that, do that, do that, do that. Do 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 do.
a party, and everybody's going. It's gonna be a lot of fun, oh by the way. It's no way. It's been a long, long time. And it's playing while you cross my mind. Yes, it's just to wish you a Merry Christmas. So don't forget the party that we're doing. Don't wonder that the fire will be glowing. It's been a long, long time. And it's playing while you cross my mind. Yes, it's just to say, gee whiz, it's Christmas. I'm wishing you a Merry Christmas. Gee whiz.
Come on, Thomas.
I feel like la 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 la. I feel like Turalu. I feel like Lule Lule. I feel like boom boom boom. Patta patta pat. Joy 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 joy. 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 I feel like la 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 la. I feel like Turalu. I feel like Lule Lule. I feel like